Hey everyone, want to check how much storage space you're using on Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to check your Mega storage usage step by step. Yeah, keeping track of your storage helps you manage files, avoid running out of space, and keep your cloud account organized. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to check. Next, open your account menu and go to the storage or account information section. This area shows details about your available space and current usage. Here you can see how much storage you have used and how much space is still available in your Mega account. The storage information may include your total quota, used space, and remaining space. To find what is taking up the most storage, open your cloud drive and review your files and folders. Large videos, backups, and unused files can quickly use a lot of space. You can sort or organize your files to identify items you no longer need. Removing unnecessary files and emptying the Mega trash can help free up storage. If you use the Mega desktop app, you can also check sync information and storage details from the application settings. If your storage is almost full, consider deleting unused files, moving data to another location, or upgrading your Mega plan. So regularly checking your storage can help prevent upload problems. Keeping your Mega account organized makes it easier to find important files and manage your available space efficiently. And that's how you check Mega storage usage. With these simple steps, you can monitor your cloud storage and make better decisions about managing your files. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.